How to compute. Given sine A over cosine A plus 1 over 1 minus sine A. Step 1. Get the LCD by multiplying both its denominator, where cosine A times 1 minus sine A. Step 2. To get its numerator, you need to divide the LCD to its original denominator, then multiply the answer to its numerator, where cosine A times 1 minus sine A divided by cosine A times sine A equals sine A minus sine squared A. Do the same procedure in the second fraction in which the answer is cosine A. Step 3. Now you can add its numerator while its denominator will still be the same, where the final answer is sine A minus sine squared A plus cosine A over cosine A minus cosine A sine A. Given sine B over tan B minus cosine B over cotangent B. Step 1. Get the LCD by multiplying both its denominator, where tan B times cotangent B. Step 2. To get its numerator, you need to divide the LCD to its original denominator, then multiply the answer to its numerator, where tan B cotangent B divided by tan B times sine B equals to cotangent B sine B. Do the same procedure to the other fraction and the answer will be tan B cosine B. Step 3. Now get the difference of its numerator while its denominator stays the same. The final answer is cotangent B sine B minus tan B cosine B over tan B cotangent B. Given 1 over cosine C plus 1 over tan C divided by 1 over cosine C minus 1 over tan C. Step 1. Simplify the expression in the numerator of the original problem by adding the fractions. First, get its LCD, where cosine C times tan C. Step 2. To get its numerator, divide the LCD to its original denominator, then multiply it to its original numerator, where cosine C tan C divided by cosine C times 1 equals to tan C. Do the same procedure on the other fraction and the answer is cosine C. Step 3. Now add. The numerator will be tan C plus cosine C over cosine C tan C. Step 4. Now simplify its denominator in its original problem. First, get its LCD, where cosine C times tan C. Step 5. To get its numerator, divide the LCD to its original denominator, then multiply it to its original numerator, where cosine C tan C divided by cosine C times 1 equals to tan C. Do the same procedure on the other fraction and the answer is cosine C. Step 6. Now subtract. The denominator will be tan C minus cosine C over cosine C tan C. Step 7. You can now divide it by multiplying the numerator to the reciprocal of its denominator. Use cancellation property if needed, where tan C plus cosine C over cosine C tan C will be multiplied to the reciprocal cosine C tan C over tan C minus cosine C. Then multiply. The final answer is tan C plus cosine C over tan C minus cosine C.